Thanks to eufy for sponsoring this video. We're certainly not strangers to robot vacuums and all kinds of home cleaning technology, but until now, you often had to purchase a lot of these products separately. However, what eufy's doing with the E28 robot vacuum is a world first. Hey everyone, I'm Chris Hagan, a video host and producer with Digital Trends, and not only is this thing extremely capable, equipped with hydrojet self-cleaning mopping capabilities, but the E28 also features a detachable portable deep cleaner. That means we finally have something that tackles all of our problems all in one device. The few places the robot vacuum can't go, like stairs or furniture, we can hit with the portable deep cleaner. And we're gonna get to that in just a second, but we'll start with the robot vacuum, which in my household run by a 1-year-old makes cleanup a lot easier. So as we get this thing unboxed, we've got the quick start guide, which lays things out with pictures. We like pictures. This is not heavy. Like legitimately, this is not that heavy as far as the detachable cleaner. I think this part is, we'll see in a second, but that is a welcome surprise because I was a little bit concerned about that. Love it. All right, it looks like this is the actual E28 robot vac, and it is packaged in a separate box, handled with care. This is the base. Cool. What's nice about this is this carpet cleaning head has its own little cover, so things don't get too unsightly and you know, fall all over your floor. So definitely appreciate that. And of course, we can't neglect unboxing one of the most important pieces here, and that is the E28 itself. And this thing does have some weight to it in a good way. You can already see on the bottom here just what we're working with in terms of brushes and mops. Everything feels great, looks great. You can tell this is built to be a really, really solid cleaner. I mean, just the way that these wheels kind of push in and out, a lot of tension, really strong, well built. Mealtime specifically see no shortage of vegetables, sauces, yogurt, oatmeal, you name it, hitting the floor, and the E28 handles all of it. The mop system has built-in double scraper cleaning mechanisms, and the mop rollers self-clean 360 times per minute, which means as it cleans your floors, it's not leaving any dirty water behind. And it's not just a basic surface clean. The E28 system and E25, which is the same as the E28, just without the detachable deep cleaner, again, that is coming, they both use the industry's highest force of pressure and output more than 3 pounds into the floor to really scrub the surface clean. While I'm talking about the power of this thing, I was also impressed with how it did with dog hair because, yes, while he tries to clean up after my 1-year-old himself, he does leave a little bit of his own mess behind in the process. 20,000 pascals of suction power and eufy's duo spiral double roller brush do a great job with dog hair and dust, plus the obvious like any food debris on the ground as well. And even better, the brushes prevent hair entanglement, so you don't have to worry about that. In fact, these robot vacuums even get the things you don't see in hard to reach corners and the areas beneath your cabinets with its corner rover arm. It extends out to make sure the vacuum cleans the entire floor. As for cleaning the vacuum itself, well, that is where the base station water tank and detachable deep cleaner unique to the E28 come out to play. As you'd expect with a top-tier cleaning system, the all-in-one Omni Station features fully automated cleaning with self-emptying, self-washing, hot air drying, automatic detergent addition, wastewater collection, and self-refilling functions. Then when you need to use the deep cleaner in other areas of the house, no problem. The motor, along with the water tank on the base station, is detachable, so it easily comes off to be usable as a portable deep cleaner anywhere else that you need it. In fact, it's designed for some of the toughest things to clean, like carpets, sofas, and pet beds that just get all kinds of dirty over time. With a constantly busy schedule, it's been perfect for letting me finally take my mind off of cleaning the floors all the time. And even when I forget to pick things up before the robot cleans, its object detection, designed to recognize more than 200 different things, helps avoid any toys and puzzle pieces in its way as it cleans. Rated for 68 days of autonomy, that means you can go literally weeks and weeks without needing to do anything with the base station in terms of refilling water or cleaning out debris. I think eufy thought of just about everything with this one, so much so that there's a chance I'm leaving something out. So if you want to know more, be sure to check out the link in the description. And while you're down there, let us know what you think. I'm pretty sure whether you have kids, pets, both, or none, you'll find a good use for eufy's E28 system. Thanks as always for watching, liking, and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.